Okay, so sorry for how late this video is. I didn't have a computer on Friday afternoon due to the region drill competition. For this week, we're looking at a few different things, most of which relate to finishing up Death Watch. So, your study guide, your final study guide, and I actually need to post it here. Is due by Wednesday. So B-Day, that'll mean you'll turn it in Tuesday, A-Day Wednesday. And we will start reviewing for the test Tuesday and Wednesday and take it Thursday and Friday for Death Watch. Okay. The other thing is your discussion board is due this Wednesday, and there's a new discussion opening up. It's called Does the Results Matter More? So this discussion kind of relates to what we're going to read with the remainder of third quarter. We're going to start looking at Macbeth. And as a character, the question pops up with Macbeth, does the result matter more than how the result is obtained? So what that means is, does it matter if a team wins a championship if they cheated along the way, or does it matter if they play dirty or anything like that, as long as they win? And it's a big debate, especially with education even coming out. And we'll talk more about this in class, but as a heads up, that'll be due next Wednesday, February 3rd. Other than finishing Death Watch and completing your discussion and starting the next discussion, we went over titles Monday and Tuesday. Titles have capitalization and formatting rules. So we watched this video and we reviewed MLA format a little bit. The video should be a little new to you, but it should be a quick review. You covered this beforehand. I just noticed some of you had a few questions and I wanted to address it before moving on to colons and semicolons. So you need to do IXL M 2 through 4 with that, and II 2 and 3. Now you started II 2 and 3, but 2 and 4 go with it. And those will all be due next Friday. Okay. We are also going to start a short story called The Most Dangerous Game. It's been listed in the Death Watch Most Dangerous Game module. It's not nearly as long or that long. We'll probably finish it in 2 days. We'll start that this week. I don't expect we'll get much more than 10 or 15 minutes into the audio file if you would like to just listen to that and stay caught up with us. There will be a quiz on that the following week, week 4, that we will complete on. But other than that, that's this week. If you have more questions, please reach out to me and stay caught up on everything. Thanks, guys.